And just like that, your gym card is now added to your Apple Wallet and ready to use anytime from your iPhone. Once the card appears inside Wallet, you won't need to carry the physical gym card with you anymore. To make this work, you'll need a third-party app. Open the App Store and search for Card Manager. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. Inside the app, you'll see four options: Gift, Loyalty, Membership, and All. Tap on All, then press Add Card. Next, select Store Card. You can either search for your gym card under the membership list or go back and choose others. From there, tap on Image Card. Now you can scan your gym card using the front camera or enter the card details manually. After adding the card details, tap the Add to Apple Wallet option. Once this is done, your gym card will be successfully saved and accessible in Apple Wallet. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we showed you how to add your gym card to Apple Wallet using a simple workaround. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more easy iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.